Hello guys, welcome back to Jenny's Farm YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be introducing a new app to you called Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. It's an app used to create only games. As you can see, it's over here. It only displays games. No need for animation. It's like Scratch, but Scratch you can use it to make mathematical calculations, animations, games. But this is designed specifically for games. As you can see, I'm already downloading it. We'll just go ahead and check through. You can see games already created. You can create your own character. Then one thing I love about this app is that any code you put in blocks, you can always change it to Python and Java. So you can see how it has come out in Python or Java. Now as you can see it from this small screen, I'll just go ahead and make it bigger. You can see Python over here, JavaScript. You can change it to blocks back. But this is a very good app if you are trying to make, like trying to learn sprite and Java. You can see you can make your sprite, their colors, their costumes too, just like sprites. Scratch. Now you can see blocks, JavaScript. There are more, there's Python and the rest. Then you can also play games made by so we've seen the short video on how it comes out. Now we've downloaded it. Let's go ahead and open it. Now it's loading. We'll just wait for it to finish. Then you go ahead and tap allow. So you can see new project. You scroll down, you can beginner skill maps. All are just teaching you next level skill maps. Tutorials. Since you're new to this, you can see tutorials here to help you. Multiplayer tutorials, like they're teaching you multiplayer games, how to create it. Now these are the games that you could play on your, by yourself. Live coding, if you want a teacher, something like that. Then these are game jam advanced games, so advanced live streams and the rest. And we'll just go ahead and make a new project. Whatever you want to name it, I'll name this monkey. Okay, monkey man. In capitals. If you like, you don't need to put it in capital, but you just use capitals. You can see new here, take a tour of the editor. Now you can see next. It's describing everything for you. Once you have it, you'll be able to read this as fast as you can. And when we start coding, you can see sprites. Set my sprite to a kind of player. Now if you want to create our player, or we can just go to the gallery. You can see this monkey will really make sense for the way we named it. I can see this is our sprite. We can add some changes to it. Like I'll add some red on top. When you're done, you can just always press done. Like you can see this is your sprite of kind. You can see player, projectile, food, enemy, and a new kind. You can see it here. Then if we want it to move, go over to controller, move my sprites with buttons. Now, once you start running the code, you can see it's moving. But if you have this problem and it's going off the screen, you can come over to here. Camera. Now camera, follow right. You can see, let's go ahead and switch them. And now watch what happens. You can see it looks like it's not moving. That's because I've not added tile maps. Now what are tile maps? Tile maps are like maybe obstacles. If you want to increase it, maybe it's 16 now, let's try 50. Until you have more space upward. Then if you want more space downward, you can see typing at 50. But the limit is 255. Then I'll just go back and change this to 20. Now, if you want maybe a platformer for the monkey, you can see this. These are the obstacles where you'll have to cross. Just make something short. Then you go over to here to make it solid. If not, the monkey will keep on going through it. Just have to click everything. You can hold it down and drag it. You can see everything is solid. Now we can press done. Then you can see I set the timer to this. I'll change the background to background image and come to gallery. Let's see, we want trees. Done. This is from the gallery. Now it's following the camera. We go ahead and switch some codes. You can see it's moving now. Just go ahead and switch some more codes. You can see it's moving. But why you can't see the timer is because I didn't save it. So if I go ahead and try 50 again and I add more things, you notice that it can't pass through. You see, just make it solid. Now everything is solid, you can go ahead and press done. Now you can see the platform, it can't go through. So in future videos, I'll teach you how to make your sprite jump instead of just floating around. You can see the camera is following the monkey. If we go ahead and remove that camera code, watch what happens. You see it's off the screen. But if we add it, it keeps following. sprites so you can see what you're doing. I'll teach you guys how to make a jumping game instead of just letting your sprites fly around, as I said earlier. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in future videos. Bye.